children absorb that, and another community comes up corrupted from within. No respect. Husband and wife is not by words, by actions. The last thing Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is advised us about our women. Stawsu bin nisa'i khayra. Take care of your women. And also advised women to obey their husbands. It goes mutual. If we only focus on one half, the sisters only come and want to hear, want us to speak. Ya Sheikh, speak about the rights of women upon the husbands. They want their husbands, see, I want you to deal with me like this. But if you talk about how she should dress, how she should obey husband, how not happy. They just want to hear what husband have to do. Same thing, husbands. Wives, Ya Sheikh, you have to talk about them. They are now free, they are independent, and they don't listen. You need to talk to them how to obey, how to stay under, how to do this, how to stay at the house, don't do anything. But if you talk to them about how nice they should be to their wives, they should help with the chores of the house, they should do good things to their wives, they don't want to listen to that. One time, my brothers and sisters, I asked the people in the masjid, when was the last time that you ironed your wife's clothes? And everybody started laughing. I said, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What is wrong with ironing your wife's hijab, your wife's clothes? What is wrong with that? What is wrong with shining her shoes? What is wrong with making sure that she is happy? What is wrong with that? What is wrong with cooking a breakfast for her one day? What is wrong with that? What is wrong with pampering her and making her feel good? What is wrong with that? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to do this. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to milk the goat. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to fix his own shoes. Rasulullah helped with the chore of the home, and there was no furniture, nothing, but he used to help sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He used to race with his wife to make her happy, to make her feel a human being, a value. That's our Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave Aisha to drink first. She drinks radiallahu anha from the glass or the cup of water. Then he sees where she put her lips, and he turns the cup and drink from it, and he drinks from it. This is example of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam with his wives, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And his wives knew that, even though there were multiple wives, they knew that. Even when he's unhappy or have a reservation against one of them, she comes to the other one and said, please intercede for me, I don't want him to be unhappy with me. That happened between Salama and Aisha. She gave her day to Aisha. Safiya, she gave her day to Aisha one time because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam had some issues with her. She said, I give you tonight, and then make Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam happy with me again. Sauda, the wife of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she was afraid that Rasulullah will divorce her, but she got older, so she gave her day altogether to Aisha radiallahu anha. And they were like that, like one family. They care about Rasulullah, about their husband. They care about him being happy. They care about being the mothers of the believers. And he, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was happy with them. So I asked the brothers, when was the last time you vacuumed the house? When the last time you told your wife, you rest today, I will do it. You wash the dishes in the kitchen. Do it. Do it, you'll be relieved. You will be relieved from that stress, from that arrogance, from that ego inside. Do it. Do it and let your children watch you, my brothers and sisters, my brothers. See, let your children watch you, having that apron in the kitchen and cooking a meal for your wife while she's sitting with your kids. Sit with them, give them an hour or two, only for her and for her alone, to talk to her, to listen to her. Give her that even once a week, a time for her only. She knows that you are there for her. This is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the husband. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the husband, even though he spent little time with his wives because he's busy with this da'wah, that was quality time. And for our sisters, be satisfied if your husband is like that. Be satisfied with the little that he gives you for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the husband, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the father. Fatima, when she comes and visits Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he stands up for her. He kisses her between her eyebrows. And he said, welcome my daughter. And he make her sit beside him. When he was dying, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he whispered in her ear and she started crying. Then he whispered in her ear again and she started laughing. Tell her that I'm about to die. She cries, and you are the one who's going to join me first among my family, and she laughs. So Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he dealt with the jealousy of his wives fairly, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he dealt with them. And he was very nice to his daughters. And when his daughter has Al-Hasan and Al-Hussein, he used to go and visit them. Go and visit them. And she prepares the children, she perfumed them, she put flowers on their necks before they meet with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he smells them and he kisses them and he carries them sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His granddaughter Umama, the daughter of Zainab, he will carry her, one leg on each shoulder, and she's holding to his imama, turban sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he goes and addresses the people. And they lead the salah when she's like that. And the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she sees Umama coming while he's giving the khutbah. He comes down, and because she is falling and tripping on the people, she comes down, and he comes down from the minbar. He carries her and finish the khutbah. This is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the husband. This is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the father, as the grandfather sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When his two daughters were married to the boys or the sons of Abu Lahab, they divorced them based on the father's request. When Rasulullah sallam invited people to Islam, Rasulullah made dua against those husbands who transgressed these daughters. Then Allah Azza wa Jal blessed them with Uthman ibn Affan, one after the other. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam showed us the example as a family man. This is what I wanted to focus on in this episode, my brothers and sisters. We can talk all night long. We can talk hours and hours. Just want to give you a glimpse of this greatest personality for mankind. Until I see you with another episode, with the last episode about Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I leave you in the protection of Allah. May Allah gather us with His Prophet in Jannatul Firdaus. Allahumma ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Adam, Idris, Nuh, Saleh, Ibrahim, Lut, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub, Yusuf, Ayyub, Shu'aib, Musa,